CoroPlus Connected consists of a Bluetooth antenna, a data processing unit, and a field bus gateway, enabling real-time communication with the machine.
There are vibration sensors that capture vibration and surface quality. We have sensors that can measure load and deflection directly on the tool. We can interact with the machine control, and we add a sort of safety net. So in case something goes wrong in the process, the machine will be able to receive this as a signal from the tool and pull the tool back to a safe point, such as the tool change position. So in this way, you can protect the very valuable workpiece, you can protect the valuable tool, and you can protect the machine.
Normally, you put in a lifetime, either on the CNC control or in the cell computer, you can say, which define when it's time to change cutting tools. If you have an unstable process and you have big variations of the lifetime of the inserts, then it's very unsecure to run fully unmanned production. But if you have sensorized tools, then you can stop the machine in time and change inserts when it's time to change the insert, and not only based on a certain time then. Another great feature with the CoroTurn Plus and CoroPlus Connected is that normally you put in a predefined value into the tool offset on the CNC control or on the cell computer then. But in this case, when you can read the conditions from the cutting tool, then you can utilize the inserts much longer, and also with a much better process security, you can say.